Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. I am pouring down some Sherwin Williams black paint for a base for a puddle pour. Just had a little goober coming there. I haven't used this one for a while, so I'm just gonna spread it out. I'm gonna do a puddle pour. I'm just gonna pour some puddles and then I'm gonna wreck it. And spin it. I better put my gloves on. The black is very messy. Okay. Okay, so I got some Amsterdam Pearl Yellow. No, it's not Amsterdam. Sorry, it's DecoArt Gold Enchanted Shimmer. So it's a shimmer paint that goes from white until gold. It'll turn into a gold, and you have to put it on top of a black or a dark color. All right, so I'm going to do some puddles of this. It's just mixed with my pouring medium. They're not all going to be enchanted colors, just a few. All right, so that's the DecoArt Gold. I've got some Amsterdam Pearl Violet. This is also a paint that transforms into a color. This one will turn into violet. Now I've got some dioxazine purple. Just going to thin it down a bit. It feels a bit thick. These are all mixed with my pouring medium for my bloom. The recipes are in the description under the video. This is going to be very dark on there. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up. Tell me what you think. Comment below. that's enough of the dark. I'm going to use some Arteza Royal purple. And I have some violet, PBO violet. I do have another gold mixed up, but I don't think I have enough room. And I do have some gold in there already, but let's see. Can I stick this? No, I'm not going to put it in. There's not enough room for it, I don't think. All right, so now I have this catalyst, and I'm going to wreck with. Oh boy, I don't know. Like that. I think my I shouldn't have laid it down so much. I laid it down too much. Oh, see, that's much better. Oh, what did I do? Dear, dear, dear. Well, I'm going to try and okay, and that's not too bad. I think there was something here. Yep. Oh boy. All right, let's tilt this. It is cool. Now I might take my skewer. Okay. So now let's spin this out. Oh, that's cool. I think it's gonna dry really, really cool. Okay. Try result will be at the end. My recipes are in the description under the video for my bloom recipe, and there's some discount codes in there too for the Sheleeart bloom tutorial. Okay, I think I'm going to leave this and let it dry. And I'll show you how it dried at the end. Have a good day, everyone. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried tile. My Puddle Pour. Very shiny. Look at that gold in there. It's gorgeous. A little bit of lavender and some purple. Yeah, thank you. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.